Gravity Forms is the #1 form builder on the market. Its advanced features and functionality, intuitive drag-and-drop builder, and vast array of integrations make it the best tool for creating any type of form needed for your WordPress site. Our basic license is perfect for lead generation. With our form builder, you can quickly and easily create stylish lead generation forms that are specific to your audience, such as contact forms, newsletter sign-up forms, request a quote forms, and much more. You also get access to our built-in form template library, which makes building and customizing lead generation forms easier than ever. Gravity Forms supports a wide assortment of add-ons to enhance and extend your forms. Our basic license gives you access to add-ons like MailChimp, Campaign Monitor, Constant Contact, and HubSpot, so you can connect your lead generation forms to email marketing services and CRMs. These integrations make it easy to manage and nurture your leads, turning standalone email addresses into loyal customers. Finally, our extensive documentation has all the resources you need to help you create high-converting, beautiful forms. And if you need to do more than just collect leads, our Pro and Elite plans provide further feature enhancements and integrations, supporting your project no matter the requirements. Form anything with Gravity Forms.